drive POV to work. So I think I might try to talk a little bit more in this video because I kind of want to do a little bit of a commentary kind of thing, but it's not gonna be too crazy where it's like shut the fuck up. But oh shit. But you know, it's gonna be a normal video pretty much. So I'm gonna try to drive with the windows down until I get too cold, because it's like 37 degrees outside. So I don't want to be like freezing cold. This is pretty looking good, looking good. So yeah. Do a nice little POV drive like a little while ago to work when it was nighttime, but I never really had enough time to get around to it because it's pretty crazy with work with me when it's like holiday season because of what I do, so you can imagine. But it's all good though, I'll make up for it. A lot of people have been asking for POV videos and car videos and that, so I think I'm gonna start doing more of them. And you know, videos kind of like where I'm fucking just like recording what I'm doing with the car, like if I'm washing the car, or if I'm fucking doing something like a mod or anything, or a modification, or add something to the car, if I clean, you know, clean the inside, or do just a normal POV. I was thinking about doing one when I change my oil. You know, it's boring, but you know, commentary about changing the oil, talk about some modifications that I gotta fix up on my car. No, not everything lasts forever with these, so you know. Getting another car that's gonna be like it's gonna be a manual transmission, so I don't have to listen about that. What the fuck was that shit? So I don't have to listen about that, and it's gonna be more fun to drive too. So that's gonna be good. It's gonna be a 2008 or below Subaru Forester. I'm looking for the XT, but all the ones that I'm finding are either shit boxes and falling apart, or they're fucking automatic. I don't want automatic for that because the build I'm gonna try to do isn't gonna be like fast like this. I already have that. I already have a car like that. So the motive I'm trying to build that off of is going to be like a rally build. I want to lift it up, put a, you know, light bar on it like I got on this now, but I want it to be rough. So like nice suspension, nice wheel spacer so it sticks out a little bit, and then probably going to do shit like that too. You know, mud bogging tires like grabbers or something really beefy looking, and that's kind of how I'm going to base the build off of it. But the last one I looked at, it was really shitty. The fucking thing looked good physically. They had all the modifications and stuff was updated, so you know, like timing belt, everything was done. It was all fucking taken care of, and then we get in it, and next thing I know, the fucking thing started shaking at 40 miles an hour. The shift knob was like this, dude. Me and my buddy were going for a test drive, and it's falling apart. Nah, this ain't the one. This is not the one. And then the fucking guy that we were talking to was trying to sell it to us. Oh, it never did that. And he tried bullshitting us. And it's like, bro, you'd think seeing a car like this and two guys that pull up that are talking about cars with you would know there's something wrong with the vehicle. Especially giving it a test drive. And the guy's like, nah, it's good, man. And then he tries to fucking like prove us wrong, and he was driving it. He fucking puts it in reverse, floors it all the way up to about 5K, dumps the clutch, and fucking puts it in reverse and floors it. 5 times almost. What the fuck? Why would you do that in a manual transmission? And why would you do that in general? And he didn't even know how to drive a stick, dude. He was like bogging out, stalling out and shit. And it was just fucking hilarious watching this guy. It's this old guy, he's losing it, dude. And then he's like, oh, I'll give you a call and let you know what's wrong with it if you want. I'm like, yeah, I'd love to. I'd love for you to give me a call and come up with an excuse. He never did, because he knew there was something really, really wrong with the vehicle. And then, you know, he still has it on his website for sale. So I'm gonna laugh if he tries to sell that. fucking were in it, and we were fucking flooring it from 40 to 60, and it took literally like probably like 5-10 seconds to get up to 60. That shouldn't take that long. From 40, nah, come on. There was something so wrong with that fucking thing. It was ridiculous. And he's like, no, that's good. It's just probably just the brakes are frozen. The brakes were frozen because when we pulled away, the car wouldn't move until we, like, you know, hit it. You know, so it was stuck. We were in gear. Nothing, no rolling, no nothing. But I guess, you know, an honest man takes an honest dollar, and he wasn't an honest man, so we never get it. Oh, that was pretty fun, to be honest with you. But I am actively looking for something along the lines of that. If I can't find anything, I want to get an old Jeep. Not nothing new, nothing like crazy. But it's not going to be a build where it's like, looks like it goes off-road, like this one right here. See that? That was all built up and there's nothing done to it. It's not even fucking going to use it for off-road. Like, if I ever get a Jeep like that, and these people that put the mean eyes on it, big tires, and they don't use it, I shame on you. They're afraid to fucking hit a pile of dirt with it. They're afraid to drive through snow. It's like, dude, you have that for a reason. Like, my mom's got an H2 Hummer, and she polishes it and keeps it clean. I mean, I get it. It makes sense. But still, it's like, come on, man. I know you're going to watch this video, Ma. Come on, we got to fucking hit mud with that thing. Come on, dude. We have to. We're gonna have to. It's insane. Like, I know there's this guy at my work that's got a crazy Ford Bronco. The fucking thing is lifted. Everything. The suspension is incredible on it. And I hope he's here today, actually. And thing's in mint condition, but it's covered in mud. Undercoat, everything's changed underneath. Control arms, leaf springs, suspension, coils, everything. Looks incredible, but it's covered in mud. It's usable. It's covered in snow right now, and it's just it looks fantastic. I love it. Mud bogging and rock climbing are just so much fun. Videos here and there. It's just kind of tough for me to find time to like record them the way I want to and edit them. So here's the deal with the editing. The reason I posted 5 videos for one was because when I originally edited the video together, I used like Windows photo video editor or whatever, because I don't have any photo editing software or video editing software. I have Photoshop, but I don't have anything else. It exported, and then I watched the video and it rendered it down from 144p or 10 or whatever the fuck it is, to step below 4K, to fucking like 1080p, and it rendered it from 60 FPS to 30. And I want my videos to be in 60 because it makes the video easier to watch. It's so much more enjoyable. Like when you're watching 30 FPS, it's in slow motion. It feels like shit, and it looks like shit too. And I'm not having that. I don't give a fuck if it looks, you know, a little weird having 4 videos and you gotta click different links to watch the rest of the video. That's, you know, that's how it's gonna be, because my videos are gonna be the best quality that I can make them now. So I'm probably gonna actively look for a software to edit video clips together, because I still want to be able to render them and export them to the same bit rate or whatever the fuck it's called that I want it to be, the resolution and shit, because I ain't having no fucking 30 FPS. And so that's the deal with that. So this might be the same thing for that video, because I noticed my GoPro cuts the clips for every 13 minutes or 14 minutes or whatever it is. That's what they do. So that's what I'm going to try to just do, is find a good software so we can edit them together. So yeah. Let me know if you guys like just vlogs like this better, or actual videos of me just driving, or like a little bit of talking, like in the beginning and at the end, you know. Because I could do that too. It's whatever you guys want. Or whatever I feel like doing, really. You're gonna tell me. Ever see me do this in my video, it's because I'm turning my light bars on. 3 of the 4 light bars I have on my car are here on my A pillar. And if I ever see somebody driving towards me with high beams on, I fucking turn them on. I turn them on because I don't give a fuck. Yesterday I got in a road rage incident. This guy's on my ass. He's in a big truck, had his high beams on, right on my ass. So I had one on the back, a bright light bar on the back from aux beam, super bright. Fucking blinded him. He got all mad. He's fucking honking at me, flies in front of me, slams his brakes, gets all mad at me, and I just drove away. I'm like, I don't have time to do it. Don't play games like that. He lost. And then, you know, it's fine. It's just like, you know, why do you do that to yourself? Oh, the cop's right there. I'm glad I did that pull back there and not here. It's like, you know, I don't get it. So yeah, that's if you ever see me doing this, someone's either gonna get blinded if they're blinding me, or I just need to see something. So yeah, that's pretty much what that means. That's it. Look at this guy in front of me. Caught on camera, drunk driver crashes. Dude, this is why I want to record when I drive home. It's the shit that I see every day. He's gonna keep those fucking things on. I love that. It never gets old. He's like, oh shit. Oh, we turned him off. Oh, this guy's got heat on. I love that. Like, you can't honestly tell me. My headlights are garbage. That's no headlights. That's with headlights. This is just my driving lights. Fucking driving lights are better than my headlights. That's why I use my light bars. You can't tell me if your headlights were good. You can't tell the difference between that and just, you know, turning them off. You can't tell me you don't know your high beams are on. Look at it. It's right there. It's like, dude, come on, man. Let's be real here. Let's be real here. You can't honestly tell me. You don't realize, you know. He's being a dickhead. That's what it is. Lost that. This guy's got some sick Outbacks over there, Foresters over there. Got like 7 of them. So anyways, guys, I actually do have another video idea I was thinking about